Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Saturday and Sunday together equal the... Correct. Number 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. What am I doing? Yes. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We will go swimming on the weekend. We will go swimming on the weekend. Weekend. We will go swimming on the weekend. This means Saturday and Sunday together. We will go swimming on the weekend. Now change it to last weekend in the past. We went swimming last weekend. Now we can make a flashcard for weekend and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write weekend up here in the top left corner. WEEKEND. We usually say on the weekend or last weekend or next weekend for the future. Down here, N1, this means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 193 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like E. And for W, we always use the lips. Wah, wah. Weekend. Weekend. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I add numbers every day. I add numbers every day. I add numbers every day. Like this, with a calculator. 2 plus 3 equals 5. I add numbers every day. And we use this word when we are cooking. If the soup needs salt, you can say, I will add some salt to the soup in order to make it delicious. Now let's make a card for to add something. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form is to add, ADD. We have 2 ways to use it. In math, we're adding numbers, and when we're cooking, we're adding salt or sugar or flour. Down here, V1, this means verb, level 1. Over here, the number 1 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The top one is cat. Yeah, like cats and dogs. Cat. Same sound. Add. Perfect. Game over. You did very well today. Saturday and Sunday equals the weekend. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Mud. Is that clean or dirty? Very dirty. It is dirt and water together. Bob will get married soon. Right now he has a fiancé. Very good. Number 3, to tie. That's with string. We tie a knot. Today is Saturday, October 18th. Show number 243. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say weekend in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Nice to meet you.